Guys, Nico Sabinim here. So today, andito ko yun dahil mag-interview tayo ng mga engine fans na pupunta dito sa Dunkin' Fan Meet mamaya. Come on, let's go. Your name?
My name is Aini.
Bias.
My bias is J, pero nagumaganon. And my bias record is J. And I describe him in one word, phenomenal.
Right answer.
My name is Audrey
Bias.
Kisong.
Vice Record.
J.
Describe them in one word.
Sexy.
Oh, yes. I like the word. Thank you.
Thank you.
Excuse me. Excuse me.
Busy po siya.
Ito mo.
Hi!
Your name?
Louie.
Bias sa Inaipen? Nikki, okay. Nikki? Vice Record.
Oh my gosh. Isunggi pala ako, Sungki. Record,
Yes.
Hisung.
Okay. Describe in one word.
Sino? Si Sungki o Hisung? Both. Sungki, Lifeline. Hisung. Kasapit.
It's alright. Go. Give me
Huh?
answer.
Huh?
Give me answer.
I'm sorry?
Answer.
Answer?
Yes.
Sa Hisung?
Yeah.
Lifeline din. Everyone's my lifeline.
Okay, thank you. Okay, so mag-interview pa tayo ng ibang engines. So, dito ko ngayon sa Pail Lamppost. Mag-antay dito sa isa sa mga engines na interview natin. Tara guys. Your name?
Janelle po.
Bias mo sa NIPEN?
Si Hisung.
Vice Record.
Hisung. Si Hisung.
Describe them in one word.
Ace.
Thank you. Nice question. Good question. Good answer. Your name?
Kasi same gawin.
Okay. Your name?
Luis.
Bias mo sa NIPEN?
Hisung.
Vice Record.
Oh my God! Jongwon.
Yeah. Describe them in one word.
Protective.
Yes, good answer. Thank you. Your name?
Raven.
Okay, Raven. Who's your bias sa NIPEN?
Sunghun.
Vice Record.
Bias record? Sonu.
Describe them in one word.
Sunghun and Sonu. Warm.
Yeah, good question. Good answer. Your name?
Dayan po.
Bias mo sa NIPEN?
Si Park Jong-sung po.
Bias Record.
Si Jongwon po.
Describe them in one word.
All around there.
Thank you. Good. Ang gagaling ng sagot nyo. Thank you. So, okay, maghanap pa tayo ng ibang engines dito na ma-interview natin bago pumasok sa venue mamaya. May oras pa naman ako guys. So, tara, interview din tayo ng mga... Your name?
Margaret.
Bias mo sa NIPEN.
Hisu.
Bias record?
Bias record po. Mickey.
Describe them in one word.
Hot.
Thank you. Good answer.
Wait now. Turuan mo ako anong converse ko.
Your name?
Nina po.
Nina. Okay, bias mo sa NIPEN?
Hisung.
Vice record.
Sunghun.
Describe them in one word.
Talented.
Okay. Good answer. Okay, class. Your name?
Hi, Mira.
Bias mo sa NIPEN, Mira?
Park Jong-sung.
Vice record?
Mickey, Sunghun, everything, lahat.
Okay. Describe them in one word.
Sexy.
Good answer kayo. Thank you. Your name?
Kim Chanel po.
Okay, Kim Chanel. Okay, bias mo sa NIPEN?
Si Nikki po.
Vice record.
Si Hisu.
Describe them in one word.
Talented po.
Good answer. Thank you. Your name?
Akisha po.
Okay, Akisha. Bias mo sa NIPEN?
Jay po.
Vice record.
Hisu.
Describe them in one word. Okay. Good answer. Thank you. Your name, ate?
Hi, my name is Kian.
Okay, Kian. Bias sa NIPEN.
Ang bias ko po is si Jay.
Bias record?
My bias record is Sono.
Okay, describe them in one word.
Jay is a wise man and Son is just cute. Thank you.
The good answer. Your name?
Syra po.
Okay, Syra, bias mo sa Enhypen.
Sunghon po.
Bias worker mo?
Jungwon.
Okay, describe them in one word.
ICN Kat.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Ate, your name?
Avi po.
Alvi.
Avi.
Abby. Okay. Okay, Abby, sino yung bias mo sa Enhypen?
Nikki po.
Bias worker mo?
Sunghon.
Okay, describe them in one word.
Ano ba?
Take your time.
Siguro, lifeline.
Okay. Good answer naman siya. Good answer. Pero totoo yun, sinabi mo. Thank you.
Lifeline.
Okay. Hi, your name?
Iya po.
Okay, Iya. Bias mo sa Enhypen?
Jay po.
Bias wrecker?
Depende pero ngayon si Jake.
Since si Jake yung bias wrecker mo, okay, describe them in one word. Describe them in one word.
Passionate.
Thank you, good answer. Thank you. Ay, thank you. Guys, sa pag-interview ng mga agents dito sa Smart Arena Coliseum during this Dunkin' and Hypen fan meet. So, the fan meet will start at 7 p.m. mamaya. So, once again, that's a wrap, guys. And, ito na po yung, tapos na po yung pag-interview natin ng mga engines. So, I'll see you at the venue sa Dunkin' fan meet ng Enhypen. Bye, guys. Thank you for watching. Once again, I'm Nico, Sunbay name, and thank you guys for watching in this video.